So the name of the channel is changing. It's changing from the How-To Chef to Chef Recipes. More of a direct focus on the sort of content that I'm going to be producing for you. Now, a massive thank you to all of you who have subscribed to the channel. It's because of you I've decided to invest in the channel and go forward and produce more content that that you might actually enjoy watching. At the time of filming, there's only 142 subscribers. All of you are very much valued. But in order to grow the channel to the point I can get it monetized and keep producing content and make it worthwhile to produce content, I've decided to change the name, rebrand. I've doubled down on everything. So from camera equipment, lenses, audio gear that's up here out of shot. There's a slightly changed set that I've rebuilt as well. And I've also invested in the things that I'm filming. So for instance, one of the videos that's coming up soon is called the rump and loin of beef. That is about 30 kilos of beef. It's all the prime cuts within the animal as well. So I'll show you how to break that down, and then in future videos I'll show you how to actually prepare and use each of those cuts, everything from the fillet down to the picanha steak, which is very famous in places like Mexico and Brazil. So that's all coming up. There's also A5 Japanese Wagyu. I had a massive 256 gram, I think it was, sirloin steak that was sent to me from Tom Hickson of Smithfield, a brilliant meat supplier in London. They sent it to me free of charge, and I said obviously I'll mention them in that video that's coming up. So check that out. There's going to be loads more content coming. All of your comments that I read on the videos is more or less why I decided to actually have a crack at this instead of just throwing the towel in and you know, just leaving it where I was. All of your comments saying keep going, loving the comment, loving the content, and the one saying you should have more subscribers also help as well. So whilst I was within probably a matter of days from throwing the towel in on this project, reading through the comments and interacting with you lot is why I've decided to keep going and have a proper crack at it. I've been saving every penny I can to buy better equipment, filming everything's in 10-bit 4K. I've got a new computer to edit it all on, Rode NTG free microphone. I've literally been saving every penny, and seeing as we can't go out anyway, I've been investing everything into this. So the camera work might not be the greatest to start with, but obviously I'll improve on that as time goes by. And you keep letting me know what you like and what you don't like. You know, I've seen thumbs up and I've seen thumbs down, but without knowing why. It's a bit hard to change the content to match what you're liking and not liking. So do leave me comments, let me know what you want to see. There's going to be a whole raft of videos that I'm putting together at the moment. There's so much, I've got hours and hours of footage already to work through, and I'm going to keep on chugging away and producing more content like that. As and when we can travel, we'll travel together. I'll show you some of my favourite places when I visited Tokyo last time, but I'm hoping to go back maybe this year, if not early next year, and I'll show you through some of them restaurants and hopefully get some behind the scenes footage with the chefs as well, to show you that little insert there as well. So once again, do subscribe to the channel if you're not already. 99.8% of people who watch these videos are not subscribed. I don't know if there's anywhere else on YouTube with that sort of ratio. So make sure you do subscribe. I'm also going to be backing up the channel with additional content and additional social media support as well. So I'll be updating things on a more regular basis via the social media channels. I'll link them down in the description as soon as they're up as well. So you can get more involved with the channel, you can get more involved with what projects we do next, and you know, sort of build on this together. As boring as that may sound for some of you, I'm sure for some of you that will be exciting as well, and we can all get involved and make something grow together. Okay, so once again, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do subscribe. And also, if you haven't hit the bell notification, do hit it. When a new video comes out, it'll get you straight in there. It helps the channel, helps me, and obviously it will help the content going forward. So make sure you hit the bell icon as soon as them videos get out there. Have a watch of them. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you do like, don't like, camera work, whatever. And we'll keep on building on and on together. Okay, thank you once again for subscribing. I really, really do appreciate it. And as I say, it's only because of that 142 warriors that I've got behind me at the moment, and the comments that they've left is the only reason I've decided to carry on with this. So thank you very much. You stopped me from quitting, which is very much appreciated. So I'll see you on the next one. I think the first video that's going to come out will be the A5 Wagyu, and then it will be the beef rump and loin, and there's also some Japanese cucumber salad, which I might even throw in the Wagyu video. But yeah, there's loads more content coming, so do watch out for it, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.